Are you searching for a sound system that doesn't just play music, but brings it to life? Do you want deep bass, clear highs, and features that cater to all your audio needs? Then let's talk about the Euroken EK-607 woofer system, affectionately known as Mtungi, thanks to its unique cylindrical shape. It's designed to be the heartbeat of your home entertainment setup. Stick around as we unpack what makes the EK-607 a standout in its category and show you how to put together some of its components. When you first open the Mtungi carton, these are the items you'll find carefully packed inside. A microphone, 2 wooden stands designed to elevate the satellite speakers, 4 bolts for the stands for securely attaching the satellite speakers to the wooden stands, a remote control, power cable for connecting the woofer to a power source, warranty card and user manual, microphone cable to connect the mic to the woofer for seamless use, and finally, a jack pin input cable for AUX input. Now that you've unboxed everything, it's time to set up your Mtungi woofer system. Take the 2 wooden stands and align them with the base of each satellite speaker. Using the provided bolts, screw 2 bolts into each stand to securely fix them in place. This elevates the speakers for better sound projection and a cleaner setup. The EK-607 isn't just powerful, it's built for every kind of listener. You get full Bluetooth mode for wireless streaming, USB mode to plug and play your favorite tracks, FM mode to enjoy your go-to radio stations, and AUX mode for direct cable connections from phones, TVs, or laptops. And for karaoke nights, live hosting, or family gatherings, the EK-607 includes 2 microphone input slots, not just one, giving you the freedom to sing, announce, or perform with a friend. Plus, it comes with 1 free microphone right in the box to get you started immediately. All of this is packed into one sleek system that focuses on delivering high-fidelity sound, convenience, and fun, no matter how you choose to listen. Next, take the satellite output connectors and insert them into the left and right speaker output slots located on the back of the woofer unit. Make sure each connector clicks in firmly. The Euroken EK-607 Mtungi woofer system brings together powerful 90-watt output with crystal clear sound, modern connectivity options, and thoughtful design that puts you in control. From Bluetooth streaming to karaoke-ready mic inputs, from stable power support to high-grade materials, this system is built to impress, entertain, and last. Now, insert the power cable into the AC input slot at the back of the woofer. Once connected, switch on the unit using the power button. Your Mtungi woofer system is now physically set up and ready to deliver immersive sound. All that's left is to connect your audio source and enjoy. The first audio source is the AUX mode, which you connect using the AUX cable with a jack pin at the end. You can use your phone as an input audio source. Let's talk about performance. The EK-607 packs a serious punch with a total output of 90 watts. That's 60 watts from the main woofer and 15 watts each from the 2 satellite speakers. You'll get a wide frequency response from 50 Hz to 20 kHz, offering deep bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs. The subwoofer covers 50 Hz to 250 Hz, handling the low-end rumble with power. The satellites work within 250 Hz to 20 kHz, adding clarity and balance to the overall soundstage. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or vibing to your favorite playlist, the EK-607 gives you hi-fi quality sound that truly fills the room. So, what makes the EK-607 better than the rest? Let's break it down. 1. A wide voltage range of 100 to 240 volts. This means stability and reliability, even in areas with power fluctuations. 2. A larger remote control, which means more space, more functions, and more convenience in your hands. 3. Copper cables used in the satellite speakers, providing superior conductivity and sound quality compared to the industry's standard wires. And finally 4. A 13-month warranty, going beyond the typical 6 to 12-month range offered by most competitors. That's confidence you can count on. If you're looking for a feature-packed, premium quality woofer system that delivers exceptional sound and real-world usability, the Euroken EK-607 is definitely worth considering.